Mastering complex sentences, independent and dependent clauses in formal writing. Hello, everyone. Today we're delving deep into the world of formal English writing. Specifically, we're going to explore complex sentences and how to use dependent and independent clauses. This is a fundamental skill for anyone looking to enhance their formal writing abilities. So, let's dive in. Before we delve into complex sentences, let's make sure we understand what clauses are. Simply put, a clause is a group of words that contains a subject and a predicate, the part of the sentence containing a verb and stating something about the subject. Clauses are the building blocks of sentences and they come in two types, independent and dependent. An independent clause can stand alone as a sentence. It's complete in meaning and gives a complete thought. For example, the sun rises in the east. A dependent clause, also known as a subordinate clause, is not a complete sentence. It can't stand alone because it doesn't provide a complete thought. For example, although the sun rises in the east. Now that we understand clauses, let's see how we can use them to form complex sentences. A complex sentence is a sentence that contains at least one independent clause and one dependent clause. For instance, although the sun rises in the east, it sets in the west. Here, although the sun rises in the east, is the dependent clause, and it sets in the west is the independent clause. Notice how the dependent clause doesn't make sense on its own, but it adds valuable context and meaning to the independent clause. In formal writing, complex sentences are your friend. They allow you to present nuanced and detailed ideas. They also demonstrate your command of the English language and your ability to structure complex ideas. Here's a practical example. Informal. I like coffee. I don't like it when it's too strong. Formal. Using complex sentence. Although I appreciate coffee, I find it unpalatable when it's excessively strong. Notice how the formal sentence conveys the same ideas but in a more sophisticated way. That's the power of complex sentences in formal writing. And there you have it. Understanding and using complex sentences is a key aspect of formal writing. Remember, a complex sentence combines at least one independent clause, complete thought, and one dependent clause, incomplete thought. By using these sentences in your formal writing, you'll deliver your ideas in a more detailed and nuanced way. Keep practicing, and you'll master this skill in no time. Thanks for joining us today and keep on learning.